In this video we are going to see some other C programs. First of all, this program is to find whether a year is leap year or not. But if the year is divisible by 100 and if it's only also divisible by 400, then it's a leap year. Otherwise it is not a leap year. And other than that, it also has one normal condition. If a year is divisible by 4 and it is equal to 0, then it is a leap year, else there is not a leap year. So let's run the program now. So if we enter year 2016, then the year is a leap year. Then in this program we have to find the first day of the year. That is, if we give an input of a year, then the program will find the first day, whether if it's Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, which day of the week it is. The program will find and it will tell us. For this we need long int, normal day and total days. We have to define this in long int. So if first day is equal to 0, it's Monday. If it's equal to 1, it's Tuesday. If it's 2, it's Wednesday. 3, it's Thursday. If it's 4, it's Friday, etc. So if we enter a year of 2069, then the first day of the year is Tuesday. And the next program, we have to check whether the number is palindrome or not. That is, if we reverse the number, if the number is equal to the original number or not. For this we have to use the same thing we already used for the reversing of the number. That is to check to obtain the last value of the given number and find its position and move to the first position. And this process is repeated for every numbers to place them in the correct position. And if we given input of if we given input of 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8, then the given number is reversed and the reversed number of the given number and the reversed number are not equal. If we give 1 to 5 to 1, then the given number and its reverse number are equal is 10. For the next program, we have to find if the angles of a triangle are triangles make 180 degree, because for a triangle, the triangle has a internal degree of 180 degree. So we have to check if the addition of the three angles make 180 degree. Then if they make 180 degree, they are then it's a valid triangle. Otherwise it is an invalid triangle. For the three angles of a triangle, we have 40, 60 and 80. They sum up to 180, then the triangle is a valid triangle. Otherwise, if we give some other value that doesn't sum up, then the triangle is an invalid triangle is type. Now we have to get the input of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and s1, s2 and s3 are obtained using formulas. In this program we are going to obtain the coordinates created by x1 and y1, and coordinates created by x2 and y2, and coordinates of x3 and y3 to find if the points are collinear or not collinear. That is calculated using if whether s1, s2 and s3 are equal, which is checked in the if statement below, and the s1, s2 are s1, s2 and s3 are obtained by the given equations. If we run the program, the values of x1 and x2 give 5 and 6, 4 and 3. Then the points are not collinear. In this program we are going to find if the given point of is present on the circle or inside the circle or outside the circle. For this we need the radius of the circle and the coordinate of the point, that is x, y. Distance is calculated using the formula x into x plus y into y, and the d is calculated using r into r. If this is equal to d, the point is on the circle. If this is greater than d, point is outside the circle. If this is less than d, the point is inside the circle. Let's give the radius as 4 and the coordinates as we have to give the radius coordinates, radius as well as the coordinates x and y in the same line. That is if we give radius 4 and coordinates 5 and 2, the point is present outside the circle. And this program is based on some graph. It has x and y axis. If we enter any two coordinates of a point x and y, if the x is equal to 0 and y value is also is equal to 0, the point lies on the origin. If x is equal to 0 and y is not is equal to 0, the point lies on y axis. If a point if the x is not equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, the point lie on the x axis. If x is not equal to 0 and y is also not equal to 0, the point lies on any axis, nor the origin. For example, if we give 4, 0, the point lies on x axis, and if we give 0, 6, the point lies on y axis. In this program we are going to get an input character from the keyboard to check their AISC value, to check which of the given category the character is defined at. If the character is greater than 65 and less than 90, then the character is an uppercase letter. If the character is greater than 97 and lesser than 122, then the character is a lowercase letter. If the character is greater than 48 and lesser than 57, the character is a digit. If the character is all the below given conditions, then it is a special symbol. Here if we give capital A, it's an uppercase letter. If we give small letter E, it's a lowercase letter. And if we give a special character like as etc., then the character is a special symbol. Then if we give a number, it is a digit. In this program we are going to determine the hardness of a material, that is hardness of steel. For this we have that is hardness, the carbon content and the tensile strength of the steel, and grade them according to the strength. if hardness is greater than 50 and carbon is lesser than 0.7 and tensile is greater than 5600, then it's an grade 10 steel. If hardness is, and there are functions given, there are conditions given up to grade 5. It varies upon the hardness, carbon content, and tensile strength of the steel. So if we run the program, and if the hardness is greater than 50, we have to enter the hardness of the steel. If we enter 55 and carbon to 0.8, and the tensile strength is 5780, then it's a grade 7 steel.